Live na ta.
First five, ready, go Let's go. Let's go, players ready?
Hoy, lingkod na, be.
Ready. Let's go, start of our ball game. First quarter. Ball goes to the Sin City. Paper dribbling the ball. Paper, screen by serves. Extra pass to Dumandan. Dumandan shoots for two. Rebound number Sexton. To Tagalog. Art Tagalog fires for three. No good. Rebound by Keeper. At one and Tagalog. Tagalog finds Marzuk. Marzuk drives to the baseline. No good. Rebound by Eric Tagalog. Good for two. Again, Keeper dribbling the ball. Keeper finds Gas. Gas shoots. And no good. Rebound by Dumandan. Dumandan shoots. Good. Ogie Campania. Ogie Boy dribbling the ball. Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy, no hesitation. Wala. Rebound by Jehar. Jehar. 20-second shot clock. Jehar. Big pass to Daniel. And it's good for two. Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy finds Marzuk. Marzuk drives. There's a foul. Foul number 0. Lucky foul. First person that foul. First team again.
Sorry po, tao lang po.
Foul. Kasi tawag ito, foul out. Out.
Ay, atay.
No foul.
First,
Number 3,
false
around.
alarm.
To Dumandan, fakes. Turns it over. Nakuha ni Ogie Boy. Lands Ventura. Spins. Turns it over. Lara, K-Fox. Scanning the floor. K-Fox crossover. Drop pass to Daniel. Daniel. Dako kay Gaali. 15-second shot clock. Keeper. Extra pass to Mark. Mark, block 3. Good. Rebound by Ventura. Air Tagalog. Nagmamadali sa Kuragi ng LA. Ogie Boy wakasaw. Nanaw. R Tagalog. Drop pass.
Makalibat yun, parehas blue.
Oy! Marzuk gets the ball. Ventura. From Balamban represent. Good for two. Lads, Ventura. Kung hindi lang kayo.
Isa to video na.
Nice job, Dumandan.
Bigoy.
Fires. No good. Rebound by Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy aka King Miles. Fresh from Letran Knights. Tagalog. Steal by Keeper. Nutmeg. Keeper stops. Finds Daniel. Corner 3. No good. Rebound by Marzuk. Mr. 1000cc. Around us.
Makalibat, parehas blue.
Iyahang tarang moves niyo nga na. Keeper, stop. Nagdodua. Itza, wala. Rebound by Daniel. Good for two. Labaw ang Sin City of Duha. 4-6 under 4 minutes for first quarter.
Si Gio bo.
Ogie Boy finds Tagalog. Fake pass. Drive. And there's a foul. Who's all ref number 3? First personal foul. First team foul. Tagalog. Finds Ogie Boy.
Shoot.
Ogie Boy. Tagalog fires. Wala. Nakuha ni Lance. Blind pass. 12-second shot clock. Lance. Wala. Rebound by Jehar. JR finds Lisa Ayay. Walang out of bounds. Mula sa team MJC.
Yawa,
Marzo. Pass to Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy playing it safe. Ogie Boy drives. Finds number 16. 16 drives, but there's a foul. Foul number 12, Bill Uya. First personal foul, second team foul. Mana gingon nga, di dyan na bias kung referee Uya, ganyan na foul. Tagalog. Finds Marzo. Marzo. Extra pass na lang.
Yes!
By Marzo.
Taas location. Pangarap.
Arong. Finds Plateros, 14 seconds shot clock. Plateros, Disa. Fakes, jump shot. Wala. Rebound by Sakuragi ng LA. Sakuragi! For two. Glenn Jimena. AKA Levi. Number 12, Ganda.
AKA Levi.
Wala. Napakong. Finds Marzok. Marzok to Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy.
Hey!
Ogie Boy. Who's foul, ref? Foul number 3. First personal foul. Second team foul. Time out. City. Second personal foul. Third team. First throw for Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy. Bonus throw. No good. Caper. Caper, scanning the floor. Caper. Pass to Mark. Mark. Layup. Blocked by Ventura. Same ball. Again, shot clock 10 seconds.
Kana, mablock-kan. Kana na lang. Bastil. Pahuway sa Ventura din. Mga
Shot
duha
clock
ka
10 seconds, guys.
Praktika sa kayo ng height
Ayun
mo.
na ni mo niya. Bag na ka.
Drive to the baseline. Layup is good. By Jelly Fam.
Keeper Abena.
4-8-10.
Oh,
In
nag-keep
favor of
po.
MJC Medical Supply.
Ang manghod na bangko.
Ayaw daw. Hanap siya.
Son, Gong!
Yayoy. Yayoy. Togi Boy to Marzo. Marzo to Ventura.
Uy!
So, there's a foul. Who's foul? Red foul number 2. 2. Number 8 na. 8 na siya. 8.
Ayaw, go. Labaw.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Bonus throw for number 3-4. Bonus throw no good.
Labuin nyo dagan, please.
K-Box. K-Box. So the second shot clock. Mark fakes. Mark drives. Fakes. Extra cross the caper to gas. Gas strong move. Fakes. Hook shot. no good.
Uy!
Rebound by Glenn Jimena. To Tagalog. And there's a foul. Third personal foul penalty.
Pero joke lang.
Substitution and out of it.
Ha?
Penalty.
Kuya,
CJ McCollum in. Fox, tulo na ka pera. So shot go.
Lo. Yes! Arad, ay!
Mas mas o di mo mouthpiece gawa ako sa iyan mo.
Nadudong ay. So, nadudong.
Second row, no good. Ibalik na rin mo siya, basta ako na makakuha sa puso ko. Kampanya, find the gala. Okay, wala. Rebound by Demandan. Demandan. Ogie Boy, oh! Ulululu! Ogie Boy, oh!
Ewan.
And that is good!
Ano ito?
Substitution. And and who's foul? Ref.
Lo, cray cray!
First personal foul, first team foul.
Lo, kuya wa tao. Mouthpiece. Lo, kuya wa.
Kana mo'y nakaputi oh.
Ikapoy, bra.
Idol, mouthpiece.
Ikapoy,
Asa, mama?
bra.
Ito, kuya wa tao.
Nandito, nagka-price.
Labaw.
Bonus throw for Mark. Again, Labog, yapon 2 points. Team
Para pawa,
MJC.
nagigil, no?
Yeah, wala. May mga kayayoy.
Look, suga, Bards.
Pass kay Marzo. Kaya lang Marzo. Drive to the baseline, Marzo. There's a foul. Again, who's foul?
Sama na, uy!
First personal foul penalty.
Bago pa gani ka ni Sod. Char lang.
Marzo. Marzo, first free throw is good.
Magtanog.
Di mo man nagka-burks na.
from
Nicole mo siya nga.
BSL Hoops.
Nalay iyang Nicole.
Second throw, no
Oh,
good.
sure.
Bandaan.
Cute kay siya,
Bandaan.
guys.
Oy!
What a move. Bandaan. Layup is good. Kinain. Blown by defender. What a move by Mark Bandaan. Labago sa Team MJC. Vidura fakes. Spins. Extra pass to Tagalog. And layup is good.
Samot ang naas. Kinitol na.
Igan,
Ah,
sila moves.
Wala.
Sharon? Usap
Seventeen.
maghihapon na yung...
Bandaan.
Ay, nakuan man to. Injured man to.
Hit check for
Kahapon.
the Bandaan. 2 points.
Sure, oy.
Natakil po.
3-point lead
Mahubag si
for
Orti Ilato.
Team MJC. Under 1 minute.
Yayay lang sa...
Marzok. Marzok. Drop pass to Yayoy. Post move. Yayoy. Strong move, but there's a foul again. I'm sorry. Foul number 16. First personal foul penalty. Foul trouble mo guys. Halos ka mo tanan. First strawberry Yayoy. Don't get.
Ikaw lang ang giunauna.
Second throw, good. Again, 4-point lead. Team MJC. 45 seconds.
Unsa na
Time remaining.
Samsung.
Mark,
S21.
crossover. Mark, magiging tagpaagin. Teardrop. Wala. Rebound by Ventura. Ventura. Ang malaking mama from Balamban.
Balamban represent.
Ventura, no good. Yayoy gets the ball to Glenn Jimenez sa kuragi ng LA. Drop pass to Lance.
Gaya, combination na nila.
Nice pass kayo, pero ni sila.
16, Daniel Niel. Mark. Triple threat. Mark. Finds Daniel and good for 2. Grabe, Mark. 3 seconds. Marzuk. And it's the end of our first quarter. Sorry. 4-point lead. Team MJ spicing na.
Spicy, yummy hotdog.
Mia A.
Kinsa na.
You can
Spicy.
holiday.
Saan na?
Icing ba?
Holiday. Credo, Cray. To spicing yummy hotdog. Finds Cray to Marzuk. Marzuk drive. Drop
Oy!
to boss. Nick.
Ah, si Kuan, si IC.
Sumog kaya. Di ko na ano po kaya.
That's my tomboy.
Assassin. Sige mo na. Tanaw mo. Pakilid na ba? K-Fox using the shot clock. K-Fox steal.
Oy!
Marzok! Ginalad mo. Good for 2. Grabe.
Sila ba?
Boy. Controlling the ball. Boy. Caper to CJ Mapalo. Caper again. 10 second shot clock. Boy, double team. Boy, to Jehar. 5 second shot clock. Caper wide open for 3. No good. Rebound by Boyax. Shot clock 14. Good for 2.
Nice ka, boy!
What to you? Pressure naman. Tsaka naman. Marzok. Nagmamadali na naman si Marzok. Walay. But there's a foul. Who's foul? Foul number 8. Second personal foul. First team foul. Two free throws for number 13, Zinya Rosa. First throw is good. Second throw. Good. Rebound by Kuya Nick. Strong move. Blocked by Diesel. Zinya Rosa.
Oy!
Kuan si Kuya James.
Giver to CJ Mapala. What a fake!
CJ Magpala!
Finally, nana kay Mama Ide.
I think fakes.
Spicing.
No good.
Lo, pinik-nik ko.
James gets the ball. James, but there's a foul
Kasi
again.
patatas kang
Foul
nagkupiyan.
red. Foul red. Third personal foul.
Idol Gio, nako na!
Free throws.
And to think, mga kababata ano ko na sa lahat.
First throws. Second throw.
Na shooting si Kuya James.
Again, 4-point lead, Team MJC. Second shot ba? Boy, fires, wala. Gray, pass to Abdul drive, basket is counted. Who's foul rep, foul number 20. First personal foul, 30. Foul, one was throw, number 29. Atiya.
Magdi ka gabon agul no?
One throw is good.
Ano yung labaw?
May design 20 school. 20 city deh.
Boy fakes, boy. CJ McCollum.
CJ McCollum!
Look! So Daniel step back for three. Rebound by Kuya Nick Caballero. Marzuk.
Oh.
Rebound by Aron. Five Plateros. Pero kuha ni Craig to Marzuk. 4 minutes and 42 seconds time remaining. James.
Ay, my God!
Malupan ng lubig.
Kabahar na siya.
Keeper drives. There's a foul. Foul number 18. First person foul. First team foul.
Kabahar na si Kuya James.
Sama. Team Silsil.
Lain kita na yung painful punch kaya na-descend basta na.
Ako gana? Kung mabitaw ni Usor ha?
Organic.
Ang uban baka nang na yung choke sa nang puti kayo. Kaya effective ka ng mga nakita rin sa TikTok. Ang pamalit sa TikTok ba?
Second throw on good. Great. Marzuk drives. That was good. No foul. Serves Boyaks. 20-second shot now. Speed. Spicy.
Alright, labaw na ko gusto.
Hotdog spicy na. Number 3 drives. Uses the screen. Fakes. Boyaks, 15-second shot clock. Boyaks, floater, no good. Rebound by Zenyaros. Marzuk. Steal by Dodong. JJ to his Kuya. Kuya drive. Whoa!
Oy!
Wala. Marzuk na naman. Marzuk. Good for two. Ateya. 13-point lead. MJC. Again, this is their second quarter. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Mark. JJ, fires for three. No good.
Alright, Korea.
Craig.
Oy!
Craig. At the drive. Nice slide. Floater is good.
Diba?
15.
Hindi kasi piliin si Creed ba Creed? Una pang kuan ka ng sa American nga kuan ba?
Kuha is first. He's gonna be out of bounds. Great team.
Amo ay English nindot ng gyapon.
Hilaga.
Substitution in
North.
out.
Asa ka, North?
Kasi English ako.
Raragwa.
Ay na lang eh.
Be the
Piliin na
best
sa
of us. Pero
allergic ko ana.
Flores na?
James. Marzuk, extra pass to corner. Spicy Yamiato. Great to Mercy.
Foul! Zero.
Foul number 0. Iron Man. Foul.
Sige na siya ko full.
Kaya nagdaog bro ni giatay.
2 free throws. First throw, good. Ball ready.
Ang pangutan na.
Uy, dalian na niyo tiwas kay kilat-kilat na.
Second throw. No good. Paper. To CJ McCollum. CJ McCollum. To Mark. Mark Fix. Back pass. Great.
Hey!
Pila. Imo nag-ihap doon.
11th, second personal foul, penalty. Bonus throw, no good. Anybody Marzo? Out of bounds. Bola sa team, Sin City. CJ McCollum to Bumandan. Mark Bumandan controlling the ball. Mark fires for three, no good. JJ against the ball. JJ drives, floater is good. JJ.
Saan ka, Kuya Nick? Boss G Building.
Bulayan.
Kuya Nick.
Marzuk. Getting the ball.
Ah!
1 minute and 35 seconds remaining for
Cute
second
kay
quarter.
Nick na.
Great.
Bounce kayo.
Spicing yummy hotdog. Marzuk drop pass to JC.
Hey!
CJ McCollum. Good.
Nice! Oh, doon na yung my day.
4:39.
Pila na.
Favor of DLJC. Great. Fires for three. Wala. Rebound by Gas. Mandan gets the ball. Mandan to JJ. Isa, wala. Sirs, block. But there's a foul number 0. First personal foul, second team foul. First shot no good. Marzo controlling the ball. Marzo, 39 seconds remaining. Marzo's fired for three. It's good. Ateya Marzo from BSL Groups. Good job, Dumandan finds JJ shoots for three. No good. James long pass to Spicing. Break. Good for two. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Mark drives. Gas, 2 seconds remaining. Scissors, and that's the end of the second quarter. Again, score 24.
Lubog ba hindi?
Bola Sin City. Disa. Corner 3, no good. Rebound by Eric Tagalog. Break, stop. Loader is good. Break. Gilbert and stop.
Ay, gatay!
Ayay! Boyaks drives to Daniel, block by Ventura. Kuha ni Daniel, good for two. No, Glenn Jimena, aka Levi. No, Ugi Boy. Grabe, Ugi Boy. Gilbert and up, in the ball. Finds Mark. Fires good for 2. Mark Namandan. Score 28-40 under 7 minutes. Ogie boy fires for 3. Good.
Yay!
It's your boy,
Panya E. This is the third quarter. Mark stops. Wala. Icing rebound. Ogie boy to Ventura. Good for 2. Score 28-53. Favor of Team MJC. Boy. Wide open for 3. Shoots. Sirs gets the ball. Ayay! Backcourt violation. Timeout. Team Sin City.
Shout out, Nikki Pierce.
Oh, no.
Naka-play ba ya gyud? Nice. Naong mo Gabriel.
Ogie boy. Gilbert na to.
Sin
Gusto
City.
po. Fires sa bandaan. Drives. Layup is good.
Simple ka bro.
Ventura. Tagalog. Fakes. Yayoy for 3.
Hey! Na anak kay Mamay day.
Boyax. Under 5 minutes. Boyax drives. Finds Daniel. Jehar drives. Layup is good. Jehar. Tateros. Ray. Ogie boy. No.
Hey!
Boy, Campania E. Koyos sa Ogie boy. Boyax. Answers are back. Wala. Rebound by Ventura. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Your boy. Third quarter na na, boss.
Substitution. In, out, in. Break fakes. Pass to Tagalog. Tagalog for 3. Heat check for MJC Medical Supply. Dribbling the ball. Taking it easy. Drives. Shoots for 2 again. Wala. Iyagyapo. Rebound by Disang. Disang to the baseline. Fake to CJ McCollum. Good for 2.
Hey! Na siya play today.
Ogie boy. Controlling the ball. Gara. Dito si Ogie boy. Uy. Ito Tagalog. Wala. Sa Oragi ng Pinas. Good for 2. Basket is counted. Foul number 16. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
I pledge allegiance to the draft.
What is yours? Good. Paper. Pass to CJ McCollum. Good.
Nice.
CJ McCollum. Ogie boy. To Tagalog.
Boy!
Nice shot.
Lefty lunch ba? Rider. Plane ka? Raw. Yabag.
Nice.
Kung hindi lang na-enjoy.
Yes, idol.
Tayo
Hindi na
sa
injury. Yung
Side.
sana.
Injury ba?
Injury, masaon na ako. Dance.
Team MJC ball, same ball. No! Ogie boy!
Hey!
Downtown! Grabe si Ogie boy. Nag-selfie pa from Carter City. Grabe ka dun. Mark answers right back. Wala. Mark yapon. Ako yapon. Fake. Inside. Wala. Tagalog. To Ventura. Don't go. Wala. Hindi nag-dunk si Idol kasi ayaw niya.
Pag-dunk mo, guba ka na na host.
Daniel Niel, easy 3 points by Daniel Niel. Mura nag-free throw si Daniel Niel.
Mer, kuan,
Great.
exhibition.
No, Ogie Boy na po doon. Patay, Ogie Boy kay Timbals. No!
Hey!
The kid from Ibu City. The kid nga, veteran sa Mark, step back. Wala.
Oy.
Ogie Boy Lance. Tagalog to Tagalog. Turog to Tagalog yan po. Good for 2.
Tagalog po Bisaya.
Mark Dumandan. Taking control. Mark. Gilak. Mark layup. No good. Tagalog. To Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy spins. Ogie Boy! Wow! Ano?
Hey!
Mo ko yoto, mopsan mo ko.
Masyado ka nang malakas para sa mundo ng mga tao.
Kailangan ka na makapunta sa mundo ng mga halimaw.
Ogie Boy. Aalis na ako sa mundong ito. Great. To Ventura. Nagwala si Ventura. To Tagalog for 3.
Hey!
Buckets. Raining buckets from Team MJC. Medical Supply. Again, 25 seconds remaining for our third quarter mark. To CJ McCollum. Fires.
Nice!
Grabe dito kay CJ McCollum. Great to Tagalog for 3 again. Wala. Rebound by Daniel Niel. 5 seconds, Daniel Niel. 3 seconds, Sirs. Wala. And that's the end.
Shout out!
Shout out kay Kote Anita day.
Pinakaligod sa Aldia.
Wow. Dalom.
Sirs, wala siya manda ato. JJ, fire. Wala. Rebound by Daniel. Block by Kuya Nick. Ogie Boy na naman. Wow, Ogie Boy. Ogie Boy. What? Shot by Eros.
Patay, tabang mo tanan.
Nag-selfie pa sa Eric. Grabe ito. Dumanda, right back. Good for 2. Steal by JJ. JJ step back. Spitting on the line. Bayeyo to kampanya.
Maruan, ang gaboy.
Kampanya. Tagalog.
Katawa lang ang buwang eh.
Tagalog. Long 3.
Hey!
Tagalog. Deep check. Under 7 minutes. Daniel, it's up niya, Aposan. Boy gets the rebound, 2 points. Good. Ogie Boy. Under 7 minutes. Layo. Long 3. Wala. Rebound by Gilbert Andok. Boyax. Si ako na wala. Rebound by Sirs. Tawa ni JJ. Pako. Wala. Gitsa. Iyan po.
Saan naman akong, oy?
Kabahan na karong.
The Magic Man. What a pass. By Ogie Boy. AKA Slim Oga. Number 12. Kumandan. Wide open for 3. 3-pointer is good. Score 51-53. Charon 51-86. Yan, 6 minutes remaining for the last score. Ogie Boy na naman. Wala. Sirs. Ayay!
Hala!
Fires.
Nalibat.
So number 6 na.
Pakalibat pares blue.
Daniel. Stop. Fires. Nag-free.
Hey!
Good for 3. Daniel. AKA D-Stop. Lulok! Ogie Boy! Wow! Grabe yun. Our Tagalog, long three again. Wala. Ipa-follow up sana ni Idol kaso hindi nakahunat. Tandaan, easy 2 points. Dobra.
Score, that's score.
Sensete. R. Campania. Drop. Look, look, no hands. Substitution in, out.
Niliyap ang kamay ba?
Substitution, eh.
Niliyap po ang kamay.
Sus. Kung walang isa.
Uy! Sama na eh. Abi ko
Tura gets the rebound. Kampanya na naman. Kampanya. Nagbinaga na siya.
Binaga na
Dulu. Terus kamu tuh. Demandan fires and it's good for 3. Mark Demandan. 59-89 ang atong score. Mga higala. Dok, ugiboy na naman. But there's a foul. Who's foul? Ref foul number 16. Second personal foul. First team foul.
Number 16. Work from downtown.
Spicy, yummy hot dog. Okay boy, first throw is good. Second throw, no good. Rebound by Yannick Nick. Yannick Nick. Yannick Nick, puna po down. Inside siya 3.
Hey!
Yo. Again, taas na yung oras.
No reaction.
Buyak. No foul. Fires, wala. Marzuk gets the ball. Rebound by Demandan, McCollum. Foul number 29. First personal foul.
I must be dreaming. Dreaming.
JJ fires, wala. Okay boy. Fires Tagalog. Tagalog shoots for 3 again, wala. Rebound by JJ. Okay boy, finds Ventura. Ventura down. No! Oh, Idol! Idol down, Idol! Idol down, Idol! Malakas ba?
Last mo.
Suwandan. Long 3, no good.
Okay boy, okay boy, okay boy.
Rebound. Yayoy. Exhibition, wala. Ventura, wala. Togi boy. Go. Spicing yummy hotdog from the downtown, wala.
Spicing yummy
Ibo
hotdog.
yapon spicing. Spicing yapon, wala.
Dali ay, pagkuha mag-highlights!
Yes, boards. JD Gibbs. Nick J. Good for 2. Another one. Spicing. Tuyayoy. Ventura. Good for 2.
Dang kuya. Dang pilas. Dang.
Arong. Fire for 3.
Hey!
JK Arong.
Dang.
Again, 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Arong gets the rebound. Arong. Tagbaw niya. Wala niya po. 100. Go, 100 yung score go.
Goal.
Tara. Dulo. Spacing mo. Well, Roger. Yeah. Congratulations, Team MJC. Again, finals matchup. Powerpuff Boys versus MJC Medical Supply.